what's up, guys? Well, vacation and the road trip 2023 are over. We had a lot of fun, did a lot of hiking, hurt my knee. I've been kind of taking it easy this week because, yeah, Saturday I basically blew out my right knee. But it's getting better, everything's all good. It's just a bad old injury on my right knee, but whatever. Anyway, we're back in the shop. We're gonna be working on Cheesegrater. For those of y'all have been to my channel before, welcome back. For those that are new, welcome. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Basically, we do just about whatever we can. Welding, but you know. Anyway, appreciate it. We'll be back with you. We're gonna get to working. All right. Well, that was kind of hard to do by myself, but it's up on the lift. As you can tell by my way I'm talking, I'm out of breath. So we're gonna go fuel the body here and get some lunch, and yeah, we'll be back on it. All right, well, we got the truck back up on the lift. And sometimes being tall is not good because you get stuff right where it's in your face and everything. But anyway, we got the fuel line. We're gonna be routing it. Probably, I'm gonna get it routed because I really don't know how. The exhaust is one thing that I gotta figure out. And I think I've got it figured out, but I don't know. One of my posts or shorts that I put on was a truck with it going out the side. We don't know yet, but I'm gonna try to get the fuel line run up the passenger side of the car, and we'll go from there. I believe that's what we're going to do. Lace this up. You got to run the brake lines too, but I'm going to get the fuel line at least situated. Grab some stuff. So this is our transmission cover. I'm gonna peel all this stuff off. Remember, we had to cover up a bunch of holes. Stuff works. Let's go over here and see what it looks like in the vehicle. It gonna fit fine. So now we're gonna paint it. Actually, I'm gonna grind it down a little bit. I'm gonna try to sand down on this stuff. How it works, I don't know. We're gonna check it out. I think that'll be fine. All right, it's all ready for paint. So we're using this rust reformer. We'll see what it does. It's supposed to be a primer too. So we'll let that dry. Might take it outside. All right, so now that this is dry, we're gonna paint it black.